Okay, so now, pipili na natin tong table. So first, yung third column muna. So we put equal sign. Mumultiply natin yung first two columns. So column number 1, shift 8. So for multiply, times column number 2. Then enter. So once may result na rito, drag down nyo lang yung small box dun sa lower corner hanggang dun sa 6. Okay, so ito ngayon yung product ng x times p of x. Next, after that, isa-summation natin itong third column. So we get the total. So dito natin ilalagay yung sagot. So we put equal sign, then the word sum, open parenthesis, then ile-left click natin mula rito, hold, then hanggang dito sa 0.3. Then release. Then close parenthesis. Then enter po. So ito yung magiging value ngayon ng ating expected value. Ito yung magiging mean. Okay? So next, tuloy natin yung table sa fourth column. So ito ay random variable minus the mu. So mu natin is 2.95. So ito, lagay na natin siya dito. So equals, kung ano yung lumabas na sagot dito, kokopyahin niya lang, then enter. Okay? So since we have the value for mu, so we put here equals. So yung random variable natin, minus, para ma-lock natin yung cell, yung 2.95 para hindi siya gumalaw dyan, so kailangan natin yung dollar sign. So by doing that, i-press nyo lang yung shift 4 para lumabas yung dollar sign. Then, anong cell number? So yung cell number na kukunin natin is yung etong 2.95. Pwedeng ito, pwede rin naman ito. So dito na lang tayo sa table as is. So dun siya sa E16. So i-enclose natin ng dollar sign yung E. Then shift 4 ulit. Then 16. Okay, so yon, nag-lock in na siya ron. Hindi pala 16, 17. 17, yon, ilalock in niya yung 2.95. Then enter. So ito na yung difference nung 1 minus 2.95. Okay, so ngayon, ida-drag down ko na lang para dun sa remaining results. Okay, so mapansin nyo, naka-lock in lang yung E17 habang gumagalaw itong nasa una. Okay, yan. Yung C9, C8, C7, C6, and C5. And next, ito naman, so we put equal sign. Then, squared lang daw natin yung fourth column. So, yung fourth column, press natin. Then, edit natin dito para ma-squared. Enclose natin ng parenthesis. Then, shift 6 para lumabas yung squared function natin. Then, put 2. Ibig sabihin niya, ni-squared natin yung value. Okay? So, then, enter. Okay, then, drag down. Okay, next. So, yung last column naman natin is product ng fifth times ng second column. So, yung x minus mu squared times p of x. So, equals lang natin yan. Yung p of x, shift 8, ita-times natin dito. Then, enter. Then, drag down the result. Okay, para makuha naman natin yung summation nito, dahil ito na yung ating magiging variance, so dito natin ilalagay yung sagot. So ang formula ang gagamitin natin ay equals, dahil summation naman, so sum, open parenthesis, then ipe-press natin left click, hold, mula rin sa first data hanggang sa last. Then close. Okay, na-notice natin na ito ay nasa 4 decimal places, so pwede nating gawing 2 decimals lang into hundredths form, so ito lang yung ating gagamitin. Okay, babawasan lang natin yung decimals. So, ayan. Hanggang mag 2 decimal places na lang siya. So, pagka naging 2 decimal places na lang siya rito, then, ikakopy lang natin dyan dito sa sigma squared. Kasi ito na yung ating variance eh. So, equals lang dun sa cell na yon, then enter. Para whatever yung data rito, kokopyahin niya lang dito. Okay, automatically mag-a-adjust yung result dito. Then, lastly, for the standard deviation, para makuha natin to, di ba we need to get the square root nung 1.85. So, that will be equals. Then, we put the word sqrt for square root. Then, saka natin i-key in yung cell. Oh, wait, teka lang. Open parenthesis, then yung cell. Then close parenthesis. Okay, so that will be 1.36. So, yan ay square root ni 1.85. So, that will be all. So, gagawin nyo itong solution nyo manually, just like what I did. Kayo ang gagawa ng formula at kayo mag-explain ng sagot niya. For table number 2, first we construct the table. So, yung first column natin, this is for the random variable x. So, ito yung winning, saka yung losing mo. So, you win 300 kung probability of 5 or 6. You win 200 if the probability of 8 ang lumabas. And then, syempre, you lost 150 kung probability no others. Next, yung ating probability of x, kanina, kinuha na natin yon. So, we have 1/4, that is 0.25. 5 over 36, that is 0.14. And then 11 over 18, that is 0.61. So, notice yung total nito is exactly 1. So, we have a probability distribution. Next, we have the product of x times p of x sa third column. So, by doing that, equals natin. So, formula tayo. So, product ng first two column. Then, shift 8, column number 2. Then, enter. Then, drag down lang natin to. Okay, so we all know na yung ating summation ng x times p of x will give us the mean. O yung ating population mean. O yung ating tinatawag na expected value. So, isa-summation natin yung tatlong score. So, we have the sum. Then, open parenthesis. Press yun lang yung left key o yung left mouse key. Then, drag down hanggang dun sa last data. Then, enter. Okay, so we have here 11.5. Okay, next, we have x squared. So, yung x squared natin is the square lang ng random variable. So, we key in equals. Then, yung cell natin. Then, squared lang natin tong value na to. Okay, then drag down. So, now we have the x squared value. Okay, lastly, sa fourth column, sa fifth column pala rather, so we have x squared times p of x. So, product lang nito sa kanong probability. So, we put equals ulit. Product ni p of x times shift 8, then x squared, then enter. Then saka natin to i-drag down. Okay, then we get the summation of x squared times p of x. So this will be equals, then we put the word sum, then open parenthesis, then drag down natin yung data. Okay, so we have here 41,825. So, we all know na yung ating mu has a value same na kung 11.5. Then, yung ating variance, susundin natin yung formula. Diba ang formula ay summation na x squared px minus yung mu squared. So, kailangan natin i-minus siya dito sa mu squared. So, ipo-formula natin siya dito. So, equals yung ating summation na x squared minus px minus i-open pa rin. Okay, pwede namang wala ng parenthesis. Minus ito. Then, squared lang natin, shift 6, then 2. Okay, para ma-squared natin yung 11.5. So, this will be the value. So, ano lang natin. Okay? So, we have 41,692.75. So, ito yung value ng ating variance. Then, to get the standard deviation, square root natin si variance. Okay, so square root nyan. So, we have equals. We put SQRT for square root, then open parenthesis, then i-click nyo yung cell. Then close. So, yung variance natin is of 204.19. So, ito na yung mga data set natin. So, that will be all.